Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12 of 22 Journal Challenge hosted by BMS Crafty Corner. So, what I've been trying to do when it comes to these journals, that's the key word, trying, is to use paper that I have, things that I have. And this one is called Boho Tropical. I don't even know how old this is. I do know it's a Michael's brand. And I kind of went through and saw what it had and went, okay, let's use this one. And this is what I came up with, guys. Ready? So, I used cardstock from the paper pad to make each one of these. And by the time I was done, I only had like 3 little chunks left. So I'm pretty proud of that. So the cover is just one of the pieces out of here. I like the coloring. And then when you open it, I did some flowers up here. I fussy cutted a lot of the flowers out from the paper itself and used. And I made a pocket. I have one of these little journaling cards that were a sheet that was in here. And whoops, it says smile. And then here's the tag. And these also are some stickers that are from the Dollar Tree that were all flowers. I added them to my tag. Here's some of the paper. And I made a little tuck spot there. And then over here is a corner tuck. There's another tag. And fussy cut a flower. And then in this over here flips open, goes like that. This was one of those, I guess, journaling spot cards, I guess you'd call them. I did fussy cut this out and put it on there. And then I figured, you know, I'm going to leave a lot of this plain. You can journal on the card or you can put a picture here, whatever you choose. Same here. Just have a little tuck spot with a flower. And this is my top 5. Another little tuck corner spot. Life is good. That was one of the little journaling cards. Fussy cutted these flowers, put them in there. Here's the tag. It slips in there. Here's another corner tuck with a tag. And then this says, so awesome. This is a piece of this cardstock. And I flipped it up. A little bit of cardstock there. Just do it. You can journal on that. Put a picture, whatever you choose. Little tuck spot on the top here. Tag. I just made simple little tags. A little corner spot. Let's dream big. Center. And this time around when I did the center stitching, which I'm pretty proud of because it looked good, is I did double stitch. What I mean is I took this piece of string I was using and I folded it over like this. So I had 4 strings when I cut. I thought it was, and made it sturdier, and I thought it looked good with having the little 4 strings this time. It says best day ever, and a little tuck spot there again. And I did distress the edges with some ink. And then this says make today great. And then it opens. More of the little fussy cutting flowers here and there. Oops. Another little corner tuck. Another little tag. And then this slips up there. Another little corner tuck. And a tag. A lot of tags. I did a lot of tags in this little tuck spot. And then little corner tuck again. And then this flips open. Oh, happy day. And then a little journaling card. And a little tuck with a tag. You don't have to necessarily leave the tags there. You can do whatever you choose later. And then a little corner tuck. And then another little tuck here. And then the cover. And that is my journal for hashtag 12 of 20 Journal Challenge for the month of August, which was themed flowers. And I used this Boho Tropical, and it was a hot buy at one time. I don't know if it says the date anywhere on here. 2016, guys. So, that's what it says on here. So it's been a paper pad I've had for a while. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a comment below. And if you're interested in the hashtag 12 of 22 journal challenge, I will have BMU's channel linked in the description box below. So go over, check it out. Maybe you'll be interested in this. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, be nice to each other out there. And bye for now.